In this short video, we will share some tips and information about the splendor of traditional European design and try to cover the topic of how you can achieve this look in your space. Consider these points to create the richness and grandeur of traditional European design. Use rich fabrics. Incorporate rich fabrics like velvet, silk, and damask into your space through the use of upholstery, draperies, and bedding. Use decorative details. Use decorative details such as crown molding, plasterwork, and carvings to create a sense of style. Use traditional furniture. Add traditional furniture like tufted sofas, wingback chairs, and four-poster beds to create a sense of timeless elegance. Use a classic color palette. Use classic colors like gold, silver, and deep reds, blues, and greens to create a sense of luxury. Add antiques and heirlooms. Add antiques and heirlooms like chandeliers, paintings, and sculptures to add a sense of history and character to your space. Use harmony. Create a sense of harmony by arranging furniture and decor in a balanced and harmonious manner. Use lighting. Use lighting such as chandeliers, sconces, and table lamps to create a sense of drama and atmosphere. Use rich textures. Mix different textures such as silk, velvet, and gold leaf to add depth and interest to your space. Use large-scale elements. Add large-scale elements such as large artwork, grand mirrors, and statement lighting fixtures to create a sense of grandeur. Use layers. Create depth and interest by layering different elements such as textiles, artwork, and lighting fixtures. Remember, traditional European design is all about creating a sense of opulence and grandeur through rich fabrics, decorative details, classic color palettes, and the use of antiques and heritage. By following these tips, you can create a space that is both beautiful and timeless. It is important to note that traditional European design styles vary by country and historical period, such as Baroque, Rococo, Neoclassical, and Victorian. Each style has its own unique characteristics and aesthetics, so it's important to research and study the specific style you want to emulate. If you enjoy watching this video, then please like and subscribe so that you can get such informative videos timely.